What's going on YouTube? I got some pretty cool stuff to show you guys today. It's gonna be a little bit different than what I usually do, but I got something that came in the mail and I just want to make a quick video showing you guys what it is that I got. I think you guys will like it, so make sure to watch it to the end. But this appeared on my step today and I just want to get into what exactly it is. I did open it, make sure it wasn't a bomb, but let's check it out. What's going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new cryptocurrency video. Today we're doing something a little bit differently. We're basically going to be doing an unboxing video, so just switching it up for you guys a little bit. Basically, a company reached out to me and we're gonna unbox it and show you guys what I think about it. This isn't a sponsored video in the slightest. I'm just giving you my general opinion review of this unboxing video. So I did receive this package, pretty heavy, in the mail today. Let's check it out. It was sent to me. I was in contact with the company and they wanted me to review their product. So I guess it kind of helps both of us. I got something to review and you guys got something to check out, and they got pretty much free advertising. So I'm just opening it up right now. We're gonna check out what exactly they have sent me. Now, I'm gonna give you guys a little guess. It combines two of my favorite things, fitness and cryptocurrency. So if you guys have any idea as to what it could be, make sure to write it right now in the description, or sorry, in the comments below. And I'll give you guys a few seconds to do that. But just gonna open it up. Guess, tell me what you think it could possibly be before I open it, and then we'll let's check it out. So it's pretty cool. They did reach out and I thought it was a really cool company. Definitely doing something pretty similar to what I'm doing in a different way, I guess. But I'm just going to take it out right now so we can get a pretty cool look. And if you guys don't know what it is already, this is called Liquid Assets. With the Bitcoin logo, and I think it's absolutely freaking insanely looking. Like, it's so cool, the all the logos and the way the can is pretty much made. But I'm gonna actually open it up and show you guys a little better review of what exactly it is. It says on the front, healthy tropical energy drink, contains 12. They sent me 12, so shout out to you guys. I do really appreciate it. I think the can is absolutely like sick looking, and I'm going to show you what that looks like right now. You can see how sick this can looks, and hopefully it tastes pretty good too. Let's find out. Basically, it has all the ingredients. I'll put a list right here. But it seems to be pretty healthy, and I guess when they're marketing it to, if you are good with like TA, or you want to you're having a very stressful day, I guess it's to traders and stuff. They just giving them some energy to help them do better, I guess, on their TA and to stay up and do well. It says Bitcoin Liquid Assets is the official Bitcoin energy drink that changes the game when it comes to healthy energy. When the entrepreneurs need to be at their best, they reach for the drink that delivers way more than just energy. Unbelievable taste in a can that shows the world you mean business. 15 net carbs, mangosteen superfruit. I have no idea what that is, but it sounds pretty cool. 12 full spectrum vitamins, essential plant sourced minerals, organic green tea, organic aloe vera, gluten-free, no artificial sweeteners, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors, no high fructose corn syrup, 62 calories per serving, and 80 milligrams to the can. So it's definitely pretty cool. I guess we'll do a little taste test, and then we'll check it out. So let's crack it open. I know you guys want to hear it. Probably the best sound there is. Smells pretty good. Now, I've drank a lot of energy drinks. If you guys haven't checked out my Instagram right here, I'm very well known to the drink, so we'll see if it tastes good, because it's kind of both. I love fitness and I love cryptocurrency, so we'll see how well it tastes. It's actually really good. It's kind of hard to describe the taste. It's not like a Red Bull. It doesn't have a bunch of crap in it. It's sweet, but not too sweet. And it's definitely something I could drink any day. And the fact that it gives you energy, and it absolutely looks so sick. The can, I had to reach out to them to see if they wanted to do some business, but tastes really good. Hopefully you guys liked the video. If you did, subscribe, give a fat thumbs up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.